Okay, so hi guys, it's also you and welcome back to another unboxing on my channel. So I will be unboxing Yuxin Little Magic Skewb. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. Alright, so I've ordered two of them, and these are for somebody else. So card, the bill, and alright, so here are the two Skewbs with a cube stand I've got. Alright, so let's open one of them. Alright, so we have got a card with it which we'll check later on. And now finally let's get into the Skewb. Alright, so the shades are pretty good, they are cool, and now let's check its first tunings. It isn't too fast, it's smooth and it's controllable. And I'm not allowed into Skewb. So it's not a bad cube, it's great as per its budget. And it's a non-magnetic cube. So it's not at all bad. It's great for a beginner, but I wouldn't recommend this cube for intermediate or advanced solvers. Like someone who's sub 8 shouldn't buy this cube. They should buy the magnetic cubes like the GAN or the X-Men Wingies. So if you're sub 8, don't buy this cube. Alright, so that's it guys for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Any questions, then drop them down in the comments. Bye.